On the driver's side door, there's the original speaker, and here's the new one. Pretty substantially heavier for sure, but there's a lot more to it. So anyway, we have the door panel off, which takes 5 minutes, no big deal. And you'll see that this is the section that seals the door, and what we're looking at right here is the door window roll-up motor. And what I found was that this, which just sits here, although the two pieces are bolted together, when the metal vibrates, there's enough play here that it will cause that to resonate. So we're going to put some sound deadening there, as well as closed cell foam. I've already done it on the driver's side, and it totally works. So I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Okay, so you'll see that what I've done is I've taken some of the sound deadening and I've kind of wrapped it around the metal. These tabs sit in front, and this one has a piece that goes sort of in the back. And then because this and this get clamped together, you'll see that there's seals, but in between the seals is where the plastic would touch and potentially vibrate. So just a couple of pieces there. We're going to put this back on, and then we'll go from there. Definitely don't over tighten these. So those 5 screws hold the 2 panels together, and then we just have all the bolts around the perimeter to install. So we installed all the perimeter bolts, installed the speaker, which is just 4 bolts, and that plug. And at this point, it's up to you guys. I'm gonna apply more sound deadening to some areas of the door, as well as this stuff, which is a thick foam hybrid, they call it. It's pretty awesome stuff. I'm gonna apply that in between the wiring harness and the plastic, as well as where the metal meets the plastic. I'm gonna make sure that nothing can vibrate. But the most important thing is that you isolate the vibration in between this panel and this. So that should help a lot. Nobody's covered it in any videos that I've seen, and the best way to figure out what's vibrating is you go to service software, hold down that, type service, enter, go to infotainment, go to speakers, woofers, solo, sine wave, touch the speaker you want to turn on, and then as you raise this and turn your volume up, you can drive just that one speaker, and there are no vibrations in my door anymore. Happy. All right, guys, that's it for today. Take care.